I am going to a very exciting convention this weekend. I'm going to Starfury Invasion in Birmingham. It's a small convention with all Star Wars guests. I went with my friend Kat last year and we had the most amazing time. So we're going together again this year. They have a lot of Andor guests this year, including Diego Luna, so it is going to be an amazing time, and I thought I'd bring you with me for the con prep. This week I am reading Sanctuary, the new Bad Batch book. I waited a few weeks to get it slightly cheaper and not from Amazon. I actually tried to get the signed special edition from Inkstone Books. It is so beautiful. It's got sprayed edges and a foil design, but it's sold out before I could get a pre-sale code. I ended up getting the standard version from Awesome Books. It was cheaper than everywhere else, including Amazon. So my copy of Sanctuary arrived last week, and guess what email I got literally one day later? Inkstone Books had some special edition copies available for people on the waitlist. I decided to order one since Bad Batch means a lot to me and I like to have special editions of books. So that will hopefully be arriving this week and I'll get to show you the special edition. My boots for Clea should be arriving this week as well. I think they're arriving between Wednesday and Friday, and I'm leaving Friday morning, so I really hope they get here in time because I can't wait to show you them. They're so cool. I do have some backup boots, but I am really looking forward to the new ones. Okay, today's job is to pack the cosplays for Starfury. On the Friday I'm going to do Geonosis Padme and Kat will be Obi-Wan, or Girly One Kenobi as we like to call her. Then Saturday and Sunday I'm going to be Clea from Andor and Kat is going to be Jyn Erso. I can't wait to see her new cosplay. So we've got the top, jeans, belt and all the pouches, armbands, blaster and holster. Oh no, sometimes the paint gets stuck to the holster. Oh no. Oh, I don't think it's too bad. I don't think it's that. Oh no. The way I've packed it away, some of the brown paint from the blaster has come off onto the holster. I don't know if you can see that. I think it looks okay. It's only the inside. And then the shawl and the hair bun. If you haven't seen this before, I just have like a clip hair bun, and this is really good. So for Clea, I've got this jacket. My mum and my grandma have been making this over the past month or so. I'm so happy with it. It looks amazing. I can't wait to show you. And I'm wearing this black top underneath and these black jeans. For shoes, I'll be wearing these for Padme and these are the backup boots for Clea, but I'm hoping my other ones arrive before Friday. It's here! My Bad Batch book from Inkstone Books has arrived, so let's have a look at it. Let me get into it, let me in. Look at it! Oh wow. Okay, so this is the special edition. It's got the Bad Batch down the side on the pages. It is signed and says exclusive limited edition 500 copies. And this is the pattern on the cover. That is so cool and so special. Today's the day! I am all packed and ready to go. The boots haven't arrived yet. I don't think the boots are going to happen this time, but it's okay because I have backup boots. And I've got a couple of other conventions coming up soon, so you will get to see them soon. I'm wearing my Clones t-shirt today. I've got Sanctuary with me. I'm going to finish it on the train, so let's go!
I was looking forward to this on the train. I was getting hungry and I was like, it's okay, it's almost gross.
Okay, and we have checked into our hotel for Starfury. I've had 4 trains today. I'm tired. So
say?
There are no thoughts.
Like, what is going on, genuinely?
Yippee! Hello there, welcome to Starfury. We've just signed in and picked up all of our posters and leaflets and our lanyards. I'll start with this, our little lanyard pass with Maroc.
We really wanted Merrin.
Yeah, we wanted Merrin. Claire or Merrin, but this is still a cool design. Then the booklet with all the information. This has got our information card, our autograph card, information about all the guests. Diego Luna! And then we got our posters. So these are just included in our ticket. So we got Andor, Rogue One, The Mandalorian and Ahsoka. We also just ran into some lovely people on our way out who gave us some stickers and bracelets. So the first one is this Kaime sticker. Got a friendship bracelet that says Marva Clem. If you can see it that well. You really put that on with my other million friendship bracelets. And then it's Bad Batch stickers.
Oh my god.
So I've got Crosshair. There's a magnet of Kaime and Crosshair again. And this is their Instagram. Well, thank you so much. We got some cool pictures with the poster at the front as well. And I think now we're going to get some cosplay TikToks before the opening ceremony.
It's tradition.
Yay! We've just got back in from the opening ceremony. That was so fun. I can't wait for tomorrow. We've changed out of our cosplays, we've had some food. Cat got me this tech for my birthday. He's so cute. I cried. He's just so tiny. He's got a little blaster and little tools.
You can't see
and
me.
a backpack.
I've got one
and
too.
Cat also has one.
Yo!
They're twins.
They're twins! Stop it. If you know, you know. The twin theory.
Our amazing friends Freya and Amira have given us little presents to open. So I thought we could take a look at those. They are the sweetest people
so
ever.
excited.
The first one. Oh! It's a Claire!
Oh my god. Does the vlog know who you're cosplaying this weekend?
Yes, I've said I'm cosplaying Claire tomorrow.
That is so cute. Wait, is there something on the back or is it just?
It just has her Instagram.
Is that a pin?
Cute,
Oh my god, that's
little
so
cute.
cute.
Pin of a dog. There's a little cool holographic sticker. Another little. It's a Sabine sticker with Sabine's lightsaber. It's a Obi-Wan pin. And finally,
oh my gosh.
Kyber crystal necklace.
So cool.
Oh wow, that is so sweet.
That is so cute.
Another little Claire. Oh, it says for Libby from Freya.
Oh,
that is
so sweet.
And then Thunderbolts.
Oh my god.
The Shin Hattie.
That's gorgeous.
What a lovely little haul this
So
is.
cute.
Thank you so much.
What did we do to deserve this?
Oh,
Like,
what
this is
did we
so
do to
sweet.
deserve Freya? She is so
No one
sweet.
deserves Freya. Oh my god.
Thank you so much to both of you. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the official Starfury Day 1. May the Force be with you. Yippee! Yippee!